Isubusin lude gwelete ibare no karamoja kesda Etoronasi lo Ayuara anude ija ikesika punoto manorotin loda pache ponetia kuna anuda itoloto ibaren.
So I'm appealing security personnel to help us because there is a gazetted place as you talk. But everywhere you get checkpoints on the way, everywhere, and they disturb us a lot. Asking papers, after asking papers, you've been talking about bribery. Yeah, okay. After taking your paper, if you don't give something, they will not release you. And they delay us. When you reach in the, like in coming from Nabila to go where, when you reach in Okataku, the time caught you up. It will be around 6. And they say, read your permit. You must not move anywhere. And when you are carrying the animals on the way, it is very difficult to sleep somewhere with those animals.
Naomba security pande ya UPDF na police. Achukua pia wanaishi kama wachuruzi sisi hivi. Achukua pia kama ni watu ni bora. Kwa juli, hawa pia mimi nakuja kununua bado jua ngori ameiba kitu kutoka Kotido. Mimi nakuja program kama iko kwa sokoni. Na gamba najua hiyo ni mchuruzi. Alikuwa kwa wakati nakamata mimi na ng'ombe ile ya mwizi. Unaambia wewe, unajua ile mtu na amenunua naye, mimi najua. Waachia mimi gapu, mimi nachunga ng'ombe hapo, mimi naenda kutoa ule. Kwa juli, sangine nawaza kukamata mimi, anakaza mimi mbaya na ule mtu ya ng'ombe ameenda.
Reduce markets. Reducing market, and you find one place, a gazetted place for all of Karamoja region to sell the animals. So that when your animal get lost, you go straight to that very what? That very market. But this of having a market in those small markets, it will not stop with this.
There is 1 or 2 markets in Karamoja. Somebody in Karenga must drive an animal 70 or 100 kilometers to a market. It was wise for government to put several markets so that that peasant, that person, that animal keeper can access markets easily.
Idole ya itosajore na ka UPDF nepeka astos kesda poti toronata Isubusin anoda imonye boyo omamde limonoreta tioksono de terekina ka kesi apoto da imana tengare nokoluka LOC1s nepeka la Ayuara lude jaso tumanorotin achakara ija Isubusin kapun.
Don't you report irregularities within the security system? Why don't you report? And Mugabe, I will hang somebody at checkpoints if he's caught in bribery, for sure. Because I've seen they want to be in touch with me direct. Please let nobody be a casualty. Enable quick checking at checkpoints. They have to look at your movement permits, the details, and cross-check the animals behind. And they let you go.
Of Chairman LOC1 coming to the market and start issuing documents, it causes businessmen trouble.
Yes.
Therefore, Mugabe, from today, anybody bringing a cow to the market must be having a document. He should not enter without a document. The thing of LOCs coming to markets, start stamping letters in the markets, very, very illegal.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Karamoja.